minutes. Jacob and Trevor, you got 4 minutes to get here, or you are officially late. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going out to Quaker Steak and Lube in Clearwater. It is the 10-year anniversary, and me, Jacob, and Trevor are heading out there. We will see them hopefully in about 4 minutes. I actually adjusted my coilovers the other day. I'm not big on slamming your cars. You know, 2 fingers is enough for me, and a little bit tighter 2 fingers in the rear. Nothing too crazy. It's been a good first car. I'm ready. I'm ready for that boost life. I'm tired of getting bullied by trucks. When you get bullied by trucks, that is a like life awakening. That's a wake-up call for you. It says, hey guy, I know you love cars, but you need to get a faster one. Still waiting on Jacob and Trevor. All right, cut. Enough with the Jeopardy montage. Can we just admire? I mean, I don't usually hype up my car, but the Hawkeye, the best car ever made by Subaru.
"2,000 years later."
Look who decided to finally show up.
That part.
Girls, girls, girls.
Down.
What's your take on that song, Jake?
I don't like Motley Crue.
Bruh.
Oh my fuck.
He literally watched The Dirt, which is a new movie. It's not new anymore, but it was on Netflix about the Motley Crue, and he said he loved it. And now you hate Motley Crue.
Nah, I like Motley Crue.
0 cents. Are we going to Quaker or what?
Yeah, we're going to Quaker.
Trevor wants to hear the car. He hasn't heard the car since I got it tuned.
Wow.
All right, Trev, you want to go to Quaker now?
Yes, sir. Let's go. I'm ready for that.
We're going to Quaker. Everybody, Brandon, Heart and Media Group.
This is me.
Dopest guy I know as of now, at the moment.
Yep. We don't have merch completely out yet, but you can check out my YouTube channel, Heart and Media Group.
Check out that logo one more time.
That's right. Oh, right here, the owl.
Oh,
if you want to see my videos, check out forzatuning.com or their YouTube channel. That's what we're here
man,
for.
I'm gonna go park. I'll come see you in a second.
See you in a bit.
How you doing, boss?
Hey, how's it going?
How you been, man?
Good to see
I haven't been out to Panini's in a while to come see you guys.
Come Thursday.
Yes, I will, for sure. First order of business. We gotta go find Brandon again. I haven't seen him in like 3 weeks. This guy. I'm gonna find him right here.
Oh, there he is.
What's up?
I'm trying to figure out where you're at.
How you doing, man? I'm Jaden. stream.
Victor!
What is up, guy? How you been? Dylan, Josh, Kiki, how are you? And nice to meet you. So, do we have a shift knob now?
Yeah, actually. Look, it's in there. I knew.
Oh, bro, that's like full Nismo.
Oh, you want to hear my car?
I want to hear your car sneeze. You put a blow-off valve on it. It's a Boomba, right? All right, so Boomba, you already know he's got the best. He's actually repping it right here.
Yeah.
Bless you. Bless you. You started a sneeze off. This guy, bro, you leave every single time I get here. Like before I get here, it's like, go, you go home. That's a long pole. Okay, so it never fails. Like Jake and Trevor, they never disappoint me with how they just like completely walk off and go somewhere completely different. Like they don't even say anything. Did you have a nice vacation?
Yeah.
Because you're always walking away from me.
Well, bro, you literally just took off. Look at how sweaty you are. You've been running around. I'm not trying to run.
I sweat just breathing, bro.
All right. Well, stop breathing.
Yeah, that would be a nice plan.
All right, let's
because then I can't make any more awesome videos for these people to watch.
Exactly. I might have to take over.
Is that a Corolla?
Yeah.
Bro, that's sick. That was the first Supra like ever, right there.
No.
Yes, it is.
It's a Daytona.
No, that's not a Mark III Supra. Mark III is over there. If you had your pick, what would you get? GTR or Gallardo?
I'd have to go GTR.
Really?
Yeah.
Bandwagon of the year right there.
It depends what kind of GTR. Can I shit in your turbos?
I don't have one, so even if I had one, I wouldn't
Can I
mind.
shit in your alternator?
Ain't nobody got time for
I
that.
don't know how you would do that. Isn't an alternator like very
No,
tight
I'm gonna
back?
shit in it. I'm gonna push the shit into the alternator and I'm gonna smear it in.
Okay.
Got a deal, bro.
Sure.
You got it. Alright, go find somebody else. Dude, I tried to fuck with that guy there and he's like, what?
Oh, you got a mic? You got a mic? So you're shitting on people with a mic, huh?
Yeah, I'm shitting on people. There was a guy over there at a fucking at a BRZ. I'm like, hey man, just look us up on YouTube. Ricers go to car meets.
Bro, I saw you partying hard the other night, you know?
Oh no, that made me horny.
Bruh. Muscle cars.
Nice. You know what this is, Mr. Nissan, right?
Yeah, I do. It's a 280.
Yep. We've all been saying Nissan wrong. It's pronounced Nissan.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I'm not calling it.
Nissan is pronounced Nissan.
X.
Bro, I'm kind of digging the retro Z symbol right here. That's from one of the new Zs.
Nah, new Z would be 370. 2010 up would be newer.
So, Jake wants to come over here. I guess,
Bro,
I guess
so
I'll.
annoying. You always put it on me, bro.
I'll satisfy it
Am
for
I
now.
the only guy on this planet who likes women? Is that what it is? Because like you make it seem like
No, your reason for coming over here was not the women. How much do you want to see this Diablo so bad?
It is one of the rarest Lamborghinis to find, so I want to look at it as much as I can. The only way to get this is if you bought it freaking 50 years ago.
That's nice. They put water right next to it.
I think it's for dogs.
I think it's for everybody to drink it because they're going to be really thirsty for that car after they look at it.
It's an Eclipse. We were both wrong again.
I didn't say it was anything. He's trying to exploit me right now, but it's not working. I won't let it.
You're already exploited.
No, it was this over here, the blue one. It's a Supra.
No, it's a Toyota.
And what are Toyotas? What are Supra?
Bro, don't make me step over the Supra.
Are you scared that you're gonna fall in
Bro,
that?
have you ever seen the It? Come on now.
He doesn't want to step over the sewer because he's seen it. And he doesn't want to get taken down the drain. What's up with that? Oh, and he will never eat steak sauce. So if anyone ever gets around him, if you even touch him with steak sauce, he'll probably murk you or something.
Yeah.
Jake, we need this.
Yeah. So then we could go in the middle of Tampa and just run over every parked car that we see,
No.
and then no one can do anything.
We need this because when we get messed with by trucks and they call us ricers, we can just come and ram them with a Humvee. I don't even get to say hi while you're here, and then you're just gonna leave. He's got the Subaru Rumble now. He's got the unequal length headers. He went hot boy for sure. He has an open flash tuning tablet. He got some nice new wheels. Definitely upgrade for sure.
Peek them out.
Ooh. Got the AFRs running just like they're supposed to, bro.
Oh yeah. Not running too rich or too lean.
Awesome. I need this. I need this in my life. It's a Subaru thing. You wouldn't understand how we have to carry 5 quarts of oil with us everywhere we go. You wouldn't understand. It's a little bit more reserved than mine. Yours doesn't wake up literally everybody within a 10-mile radius of here.
Yeah.
I like that. Good job on that. You weren't a butthole like me.
All right, Jaden, take it easy.
Yeah, man. Be safe.
Trevor just made it really weird.
Trevor does, dude. And you pull extra super hard too. You're just like, you pull me all the way down to the ground.
Yeah.
How's this feeling?
But that's gonna do it for us here again. What's that? You don't want it. Oh, is this the standoff?
Apex.
Trade gamer cards right now.
What do you got? Xbox?
Gamer tags. Oh, we can't mess around with PS4, guys. No. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Nice seeing you again.
Nice seeing you.
I will see you next Monday.
Yeah. No problem.
Porsche. We share something in common. Subaru and Porsche have very close bloodlines.
Hey, there you go. I feel good about that. Everybody
For
hates
sure.
Porsche here.
That's gonna do it for me here at Ox Vlogs. Trevor and Jacob, thanks for heading out with me tonight, guys. Brandon, it was nice seeing you guys
Hey,
again.
guys.
Love this place. This place has always got good cars. Awesome people. Thanks everybody once again for watching. For sure, if you guys haven't already, slap that subscribe button underneath. Leave me some comments.
Slap it.
All right.